Okay guys, so in this video we're looking at not just multiplying a binomial times a binomial anymore, we're multiplying a binomial times a trinomial. So if you're using the box method, you just need to make sure that we are creating a 2 by 3. So your box is going to be a little bit longer. So you can see I separated it into 2 boxes by 3 boxes. So the binomial is going to go on the side that has 2 boxes, x minus 2. And the trinomial will go on the side that has 3 boxes, 3x squared plus 4x minus 6. Once you've set up your box, to get each box filled in, you need to multiply. So in this case, we have 3x times x squared is 3x to the third. This is where most of us make mistakes. And x times x squared is an x to the third. 4x times x is 4x squared. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. So I multiply all 3 of those top values by x. Now I'm going to multiply all 3 of those top values by negative 2. So negative 2 times 3x squared is negative 6x squared. Negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. And negative 2 times negative 6 is a positive 12. So just like when it was a binomial times a binomial, we still need to combine our like terms. So there's only one x to the third. So 3x to the third is going to stay exactly the same. But we do have x squares that we need to combine. Negative 6x squared plus 4x squared is negative 2x squared. Remember guys, when I say combining like terms, I mean you need to add them together. Okay? So now we have another set of like terms. We have our x's here that we need to combine. So negative 8x plus negative 6x is negative 14x. And then 12 is our only constant. And that is our final answer. So you'll notice that as opposed to a binomial times a binomial, our answer comes out with 4 terms, an x to the third, an x to the second, an x, and a constant. Okay? If you need any more help, let me know. Leave a message in the comments.